Hi, I want to walk you around my 2024 Z06. This vehicle is in a 2LZ trim level. It is the ceramic matrix gray metallic, which is a very rare color. In fact, I've had this car for about 6-7 months now, and I have yet to see one on the street. I saw one Z51, but I have not seen this color. It's not quite a white, and it's not quite a gray. It's a very beautiful car, very beautiful color. And it does change colors as the sun hits it in shadows, so it gets darker and lighter. It is a limited, no longer produced color. And like I said, there's not many of these guys around, period. It has this sky cool gray interior, which is very beautiful. I'll show you that in a moment. So basically this car is a Z07 carbon flash Aero package. So the carbon Aero package, it's very beautiful. It does pop really well with the color of the car. The canards really set off the front. As you can see here, this is a great looking car. It's very beautiful. So we have the carbon flash front splitter along with those side skirts. These are all factory standard. We have the front lift on this car. And if you don't buy my car, make sure whichever one you buy does have the front lift. Do not buy one of these without the front lift. I made that mistake. I had to see with gray before this one, at trim level 1. It drove on everything. So you need the front lift for sure. This has the GT2 bucket seats, has the two-tone interior seats. Comes with the bright red calipers. Also that red lettering there is an additional add. You're gonna get the black rims with the black lug nuts. You got the black exhaust tips. Let me walk you around here. I'm reading off of the list because I don't want to miss anything. And that really sets the back off. Look how the wide body looks in it with that wing. That's just incredible looking. So we have the red engine intake. I'll show you that here in a bit. So the things that was added to the car. Now this is the important part of the video. I want to make sure I don't mess up, because there's a lot of these vehicles out right now, and mine is probably not going to be the cheapest, but this car with 2,700 miles on it, and I am the second owner, and I know the original owner. He lives in Louisiana. I talked with him. I know why he sold it. He wanted that purple hysterical color, and he bought a full Z07 performance package. So he traded this in, and I bought it. So the things that's been added to this car is that carbon flash vinyl top. And man, it really looks good. I had the mirrors covered and also had the full top, and I brought the line back, which I think you would agree gives it a very nice look, very clean. Kind of makes it look more like, you know, from a distance, maybe like a McLaren. I think it really sets the car off. Now, if you don't like it, you can just peel it right off. It's just vinyl. And there's PPF underneath it. So you don't, you know, you'll have some protection still if you can peel them off separately. Otherwise, you just take the A-pillar and just have the PPF re-added. This car does have full front PPF, so you don't have to worry about anything. It's self-healing, it can spell, it's the good stuff, not the cheap stuff. So that's something that most people don't take into consideration when they buy a car, is all those extra things are added. Speaking of which, is the scrape armor radiator grills are already in it, and they were put on when the car was brand new. So there's no rocks or anything in those radiators back there. Now these things are $700, and they're about $400 or $500 to install. You have to take the whole front bumper off. So don't underestimate the value of some of those things. We just also talk about the pucks. I'm not going to get down on the ground, but the jacking pucks are underneath it already. So that's important. You take it someplace, they know exactly where to put the jack. You don't have to worry about scratching up the bottom frame. It's a red aluminum puck, permanently put in place there. Ceramic windows, you're going to get that too. You know, that's like $500 right there, guys. It adds up. So let me open this guy up, and I'll show you the inside. Man, and this car is immaculate, by the way. And you'll see in some of my other videos, you know, when I sell a vehicle, I always say, you want to buy a car from someone like me, because I want to buy a car from someone like me. I mean, when I say immaculate, it is immaculate. There's not a scratch, a rub, or anything. This car looks, smells, and drives brand new. And the color is just unbelievable. I mean, that color contrast is so nice. I'm gonna walk around the other side, I'll show you the other side. Look at that when you open it, just pops, that two-tone with the microfiber. Mine is so nice. It's very, very nice. Look at that. It's just, I love that. And the seats, you don't have to worry about sliding around in it or any of those things. It's just a really nice car. Again, super, super clean inside and out. One of my hobbies is auto detailing, so I do that. So, and you'll see in one of the pictures that I'll post the station that I have. Probably spend a little bit too much for it, but you know, I enjoy doing it. So this car is going to show that and reflect that. And I've seen some of the cars out there, they are just, they don't even clean them anymore. They just take pictures and throw them on the internet. They did not give you a warm fuzzy. You know the history of this car. I can vouch for everything I'm saying. If you're looking for a car, this is your car right here. Now, why am I selling? Really simple. I really wanted that sea wolf gray. Like I mentioned, my first one was sea wolf gray. I love this color. I love the sea wolf gray just a little bit better. And, you know, it's the last year of it. So I went ahead and bit the bullet. Now, I wish I could keep both. And I even kind of thought about it for a moment, but I can't. Doesn't make sense. I've got a lot of money invested in this, guys. Let me go ahead and pop this open for you. And I won't give it away, so please, no lowballing. I might consider a reasonable offer, but you know how it is. You list it and you hope to get, you know, what you list it for, but everybody's looking for a deal, I understand. But please, no lowballing. I buy and sell a lot of cars. I'm hoping to stop one day, but with all addiction, we always say that. I mean, look at this car. I'll back out a little bit and let you look at it, man. It's just gorgeous. That wing, it's super nice. 2,700 miles. Car runs good, doesn't need anything. You still got all the factory warranty left. You don't have to worry about anything. You come over here, you want to get underneath it, we'll get it up in there. You can take a look, whatever you want to do. You're not going to find anything to devalue the car on. If you're looking for a unique car, if you're looking for something that is already done, you just get in and drive it. PPF covers the headlights and everything. You don't have to worry about nothing. You just get in and drive this car. You don't need to do anything. If you do something to this car because you wanted to change something or add something, you know how it is. Great looking car. I didn't trade this one in because I know I'm going to get questions. Why didn't you trade it in? I didn't trade it in because I bought my other car out of state. And I didn't want to put the miles on this one to drive it up there. And trust me, guys, you really know what kind of deal you get when you trade something in, right? You're always better doing a cash deal. And yeah, I lost the tax savings, but you know what? Doesn't matter. I would rather see this car go to a good home than me to drive up there and have to jack with all that sells, you know, sliding numbers around stuff. I'm very confident this car is going to sell quick, so I'm not worried about it. There's a lot of them out there right now, but there's not one as clean as this one. In fact, if you're serious about buying, maybe you've got one in mind, come by, look at mine. It won't take but, you know, a little bit of my time, a little bit of your time. I'm pretty confident you're going to buy mine anyway. But not to sound cocky, but you know, if you didn't, at least you appreciate the one you are buying a little bit better. Because if it's cleaner than this one and you're getting a better deal, then you know it. Thank you for watching, guys. I know it's a long video. If you have any questions, reach out to me. We can FaceTime. You can come by and look at the car. Serious buyers only, you know. Thank you.